Guys, now we are here to look at the beautiful Taj Mahal. So pretty, so beautiful. Like, wow. Guys, look here. This is the Yamuna River. Next to Taj Mahal is a Yamuna River. Guys, so now we finished to roam around Taj Mahal to see its beauty. Now we will go to another place. We have to go by rickshaw again. We will go to the Red Fort, Agra Fort now. Here they are to another place, that is the Red Fort of India. Here it is. So now we will go inside to visit this place. Come along with me, okay? Inside the Agra Red Fort. So if you know that if you look at your 500 notes, there's this building that is here. No, it is this one, the Red Fort. Same here on Independence Day every year, the national flag of India will be hoisted there in the upstairs, like in the middle part. The national flag of India will be put there. So here also it's a big place, nice one, nice building, nice sculpture. Like we cannot imagine like how they built like this one. So good, guys. So mesmerizing to look also. Inside the Agra Red Fort, there is this one, the Johangir bathtub. Look, guys, it's look like a cup, a bathtub for Jahangir. This is the inside of Red Fort, guys.
Yeah.
Agra Fort, guys. So from here, look, I will show you something. From here, we can see the Taj Mahal. There is a Taj Mahal there. Like it is here in another place. These places are only near Taj Mahal. Like from here also we can see Taj Mahal. Look this guy. This is it's called a Mehtab Park. It's a garden full of plants. It is so greeny, beautiful, mesmerizing to look at. A view from Mehtab Garden, guys. This is a Mehtab Garden. It is a big place. See, guys, full of trees, flowers, and beautiful Taj Mahal there. So guys, this is the end of this vlog. Now we have visited 4 places today, so we have to head back to railway station, and because we have to get back to Mahal. So see you next time, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.